Okay friends, in this particular video I will show you how to change the normal image into AutoCAD in order to edit, rewrite and read dimensions. So how we'll change that, we'll see later on. Okay, so first of all you have to find the image. So here look, I have images like this. So and both concern is let's open the first drawing what I did in here. So in my download group here, I have downloaded that image from the normal Google page. So it's a card engine part. So here look, firstly you have to open that drawing. So this is a car image. No, it's not, by the way, like seems to be like this. It's already the converted image. So I have to change first of all. So just go to the Google. Here go to Google and I have to open in this Google. So it is engine parts. So look, this engine part. So there are different parts of engine here. So let me open the very precise components of the engine parameter here. So look here, this is in the rebuild engine. So your camshaft, crankshaft, there are rodis, pistons and other parameters which is available in here. So which is a typical push rod B6 engine parameter. So I have to save this image first of all. So the image is already saved. Yeah, it is engine rebuilt. The image is already saved. I have to save that image.